So in hindsight, we probably should have filmed something on the way here, but we decided to take the drive based on a recommendation that we come and take a look at the waterfall at Ezaro. And it is super cool. What do you think?
Meeting. Yeah, I thought the drive here was super cool. A lot of narrow roads, beautiful countryside. What else? We saw some bikers on the road.
Up this huge hill.
Those guys are amazing. Anybody who bikes uphill like that,
That's why.
it's nuts.
Yeah. But it's super pretty. And then we're gonna have lunch in a little town on the way back. Should be a fun day. Well, we had to make a stop at the park before we can go to the waterfall.
Why did you just hit me?
Because I'm mad.
Okay, well, it's not okay to hit mommy. Why are you mad?
You won't, because you won't push me on that swing.
I never heard you ask me to push you.
I said, Mommy!
Okay, well, yelling my name doesn't mean I know what you want, honey. I'm sorry.
Okay, come.
Hold on, I gotta get Melissa real quick.
Our kids are just a little impatient, huh?
They're really brats today.
There they are, running up ahead of us. See them? With random people. Hopefully they don't get snatched. See the Froggies there?
Back home, we not only have seat warmers, but we also have seat coolers. Are you missing your seat cooler today, Jordan?
It's hot. My back's sweating.
Really?
Not funny, Maria.
This is like the hottest day it's ever been for us in Galicia. What's the temperature?
Like 85 degrees.
80s. So anyways, hey bud, can you be a little quieter? We just finished checking out the waterfall at, what's it called? Ezaro. It was really beautiful. And
Kavika, stop.
So now we're gonna head over to a little town by the sea called Muros, and see if we can get some lunch, maybe go play in the water later. I don't know.